Hello, my name is Evelyn Lilian Hernandez Montenegro. I am 35 years old. I am from Ipiales, Nariño. I am a college student. Have you been working for the same company for more of 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I have been working in the sales and business for 6 years exactly. So I have been doing other kind of business in this period of time too. I have been working with my own financial consulting company. I have been advising many people how to start a profitable business with the new models of digital economy. Have you been doing exercise in the last year? What kind of exercise do you do? Yes, I have been doing exercise in the last years. I have been running twice a week and cycling 3 times a week. So I have been doing Tabata exercise each morning every day. Bye.